Okay, the last time I made creme brulee, I had a vanilla bean. So what I did is I took that vanilla bean after I was done with it and I filled it full of granulated white sugar. So it's been sitting in here for a few weeks now. So basically what we have now is vanilla sugar. And that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use for this creme brulee. It's not just regular sugar, but vanilla sugar. So we'll see how that turns out. First, let's start by getting our eggs in there and getting them all mixed up, and then adding our vanilla sugar. Oh, I hate it when that happens, but add the vanilla sugar, and then clean up and put what we can in. Then we put in our baking vanilla that I like to use. Give that a quick whisk around to get it all mixed up and incorporated. Next, let's go for our heavy cream. Now this is something you don't want to walk away from. Put your heavy cream in there, start mixing, and do not go check your emails or anything. Do not get distracted by what's on TV. You need to stay there because it will overboil and you don't want that. To temper our eggs, we're going to add a little bit of the hot milk in there over our egg mixture. A little bit of time so that it does not turn into scrambled eggs. I like to use a fine mesh sieve so that it gets any air bubbles out. Into the mason jars they go. I found these wide mouth ones that I think work really, really well, and I like them. It also makes it a little bit easier and gives you more surface area later on when we're doing our flambe. Now to cover up our mason jars, put your lids on and just ever so gently you're going to make them snug. You don't want them too tight. You need them snug enough so water doesn't get in, but not so tight that air can't get out, otherwise it'll explode. It's bath time. Putting the mason jars in there, except for that one, I guess I didn't get enough liquid in there and it kept on floating, so eventually I just gave up. So after an hour, we're going to remove those sous vide balls that help maintain the temperature so that the sous vide machine did not have to work so hard. Ever so gently, you want to take them out, being careful not to burn yourself or to drop them. Now it's chill time. Go ahead and put those in the refrigerator where they won't be bothered and let them sit. Open those mason jars up and see your creamy goodness right there. I like to use sugar in the raw. I think it works better and it makes a nice crust on there. Using a torch, we're going to ever so gently go ahead and make our crust. Now, very important, do not stay too long on it, otherwise you will break the glass. I know, I did this. Okay. Ready to try the creme brulee with the vanilla sugar and see how it is. Vanilla?
So good.
Well, I think silence says it all right there, so we're going to go ahead and eat our creme brulee. Thanks for watching.
Bye.